Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Hey guys, please guys, come at 8 p.m. today on our live. Sizoba busy no Rata after he said Ntanzi called him a skebengo. When did Ntanzi call Rasa a skebengo, guys? Rasa is busy twisting things just to make this guy Ntanzi scared, and he's actually intimidating Ntanzi. Rata, he uses his power to other levels, guys. No, please come this evening. Guys, Ntanzi is not backing down on his story. Like I've always said, it's his story. He must tell it. And he can tell it better than Ubaloyi. And Ubaloyi is just like, when Kogi Hood, Ntanzi is like, no, you have a beard. No, I don't. I didn't have a beard. I was a boy in 2014. Please leave me alone. You know? So he's telling his story, guys, and we have to let him tell his story. Ntanzi. You know? So Ntanzi's line is, I do not know Zungu from above. So I've never met the guy until I came to court. Until he came the day actually Zungu to testify here in court. That's the day I started knowing Zungu. I had never seen the guy before. As Uzwati, there's where he says, even when we were heading the cattle, I didn't see Zungu. I don't know Zungu even as a boy when I was young. I don't know this guy. Even his dad came to court. But Zungu used to say that he knows Ntanzi. I don't know, out of the 100 people works for SAPS, why are they not arrested, those two people? You know? Busy. I'm an investigator. I'm in an investigative team. Investigating what, guys? There's nothing that you did. You just gathered whatever you can gather through Zungu. So that these guys can be convicted and they were actually arrested for nothing. We're going to continue on our live this evening, guys. Because honestly, we have to make noise. We can't just sit around. And that much, we're waiting for it in order to help the Mayiwas. They have played the Mayiwas, these people. You know? And we are adding salt in the wound every day. Busy lying here and saying stuff about Ntanzi. Said Ntanzi is calling him a scapegoat. Where did Ntanzi call Rata a criminal, guys? You know? Advocate George Baloyi and his cooked photos, it's not working for him, that thing. He's tried it so many times. He's bringing up Undlovu pictures, and then Ntanzi is just like, no. How can the dates be 2020? And at some stage, I was in jail already. And guys, Baloyi, he's tried just about anything and everything. It's not working. Baloyi must just move on. You know, and on Ntanzi, guys, they will never be convicted, not on our watch. So it's also abantu with this much.
Ngeke ngaphendula ngayithomba ngakhala ngathi izithombe lezi akusiwa ama-data azo lapha phambi kwekoti.
I once complained about the pictures and said that these pictures uthe ama-data enseni.
Ngake ngakhala ngaphambi kwekoti ukuthi akusiwa ama-data azo la akhulunywa ngaphambi kwekoti.
I complained that the dates that are mentioned in court are not the pictures dates.
Now, the next picture that we wish to refer you to, it's picture number 4 of Exhibit DD4B, page 2379. Now, with reference to this exhibit, Warrant Officer Ndlovu testified as follows on the 10th of June 2025, page 57, line 10. Maybe just before there, the state at line 4 said, now let us move to page 4 of Exhibit DD4B, page 2379. Officer, the state then asked him what is his observation Then Warrant Officer Ndlovu testified as follows. Said, I see a person who is wearing a tracksuit that has two colors from the chest going to the body of the person. It is black in color. That from the chest to the upper part of the body, it is red in color, and he's wearing a hat. And he says, and also he has a beard that is shaped in an O shape.
Bo. Uthi ngiyambona ufake isigqoko, wembethe isigqoko. Ngiyabona futhi nobuso bakhe ukuthi lo muntu uthanda ukuthi abe nebala elikhanyayo. And uyachubeka uthi okunye ngubonayo futhi ukuthi unentshebe. Intshebe yakhe lena anayo iwuhlobo lwendingilizi luka O. Uthi lokho kuphela ngubonayo.
And the photo was taken on 12 November 2020.
And lesi sithombe sathwetshulwa ngomhla zingu-12 November onyakeni ka-2020.
This we see on page 58. Warrant Officer Ndlovu testified as follows. The time, the date reads as follows. It says 2020, 11, and then the date will be 12.
Uyachaza ke uNdlovu ke uthi ke isikhathi kanye nosuku unyaka u2020 enyangeni kaNovember 11 ngezi 12 esathathwa ngaso lesi sithombe.
Do you have any comments?
Ungathanda ukuphawula na?
In particular, the fact that Warrant Officer Ndlovu observed that that you have an O-shaped beard.
Ikakhulukazi ncamashi esiqonde kukona ukuthi ke u-Warrant Officer Ndlovu uye waphawula ukuthi akubonayo la ukuthi wena unentshebe eyuhlobo luka lendingilizi u-O-shape.
Mphendula.
Yes.
Ngaphendula.
Kwasenkantolo tracksuit le ngiyaphinda ayikho nyama ngezansi. Ayikho nyama that in navy kwasenkantolo.
My Lord, I repeat again, this tracksuit depicted here, it's not black at the bottom, it is navy.
Ngehla. Navy ibomvu ngehla navy ngezansi.
It is red on the top part of it and navy the bottom part.
Ngiphinde futhi ngedate kwasenkantolo. Date angivumelana nayo lesi sithombe kwasenkantolo.
And once again, my Lord, I disagree with the date mentioned on this picture, my Lord.
Ngiphinde futhi ngitshene court isithombe lesi sa 2020, not 2018, not 2014.
And I'll repeat again, my Lord, that this picture, it's a 2020 picture, not year 2014.
2014 kwasenkantolo ngangenatshebe.
During 2014, I did not have a beard.
Now, the last picture that we wish to refer you to, it's page 6 on page 2384.
Sithanda ukukhombisa naso isithombe futhi esekhasini lesithupha. Page 2384 wesithombe.
Warrant Officer Ndlovu testified as follows on the 10th of June 2025, page 62.
Wafakaza ke ngezi 10 zika June 2025 ekhasini u62
at line 8, when the state referred him to page 6, 2384, and we then asked him what were his observation. Says, I think it is still the same picture with the picture that we went through. Says, also the O-shaped beard is still visible from the picture that is displayed on the screen. It says, phone was taken with a Samsung J5 and the date is 2020 11/12 and the time is 17:40 and 7 seconds.
Nalesi esiqeda ukusibheka umehluko nje kuphela ukuthi lo muntu usagcoke noma wembethe uhlobo olufanayo lengubo ayigqokile kulezi ezinye izithombe zangaphambili. Nanobe kunjalo kulesi sithombe akakufundile ukumshushisa ke ngikuhlula ufunde lokho akufundile. Uthi okunye futhi ukuthi intshebe yakhe engiyibonana kulesi sithombe uyuhlobo lwendingilizi sithathwe ngayo naleyo phone efana nayo yohlobo lwe-Samsung J5. Uthi ke sathathwa ngonyaka ka-2020. Did you read that part?
Yes, that's the date on which it was taken. Yes.
Sathathwa ngonyaka ka-2020 ngenyanga ye-11 ukushuthi ngoNovember ngosuku lwe-12 ngezi-12 zikaNovember 2020 uma ngakubekela caca isikhathi okuyisona esibhaliwe sathathwa ngo-20 to 6 ntambama 20 to 6 7 seconds sathathwa ngaleso sikhathi.
Do you have any comment?
Ngabe ungathanda ukuphawula ngalokho? Ilesi.
Yebo Nkosi Nkandolo.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Isithombe ngasa 2020.
This is a 2020 picture.
Yebo okwesibili Nkosi Nkandolo ngiyethemba lezi zithombe ngisibuka la njengo 45 46.
And furthermore, my lord, I believe that the photos depicted here that I'm looking at,
Noma ezinye ngayibona
photo 5, photo 6,
noma ezinye ngayibona ama data ngapha la ubhalwe khona ngibona konke ubhalwe khona ngithi 5 6 ezithombe lezi akusizele date le efundwa lapha ekhodi.